Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader Reading Books for You. Today I will be reading The Gnome Outside the Home, written by Valerie Yanez. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I've included links where you may find and purchase this book. Dedicated to Anthony and Amy. Thank you, Antonio. Long ago on a beach lived a gnome outside a home. Outside in the moonlight he would roam. He played at the edge of the beach where the water would foam. Inside lived his friend, the little kitchen chef decoration, whom the family in the home loved after he longed to be known that he was really alive and not up on the shelf alone. The gnome wanted the family to know that he was alive and not just a decoration of stone. The seed had been sown. Would the family be scared if they discovered he was a really alive gnome? He would come to the family's kitchen for a dinner the little kitchen chef prepared with the herbs the gnome had grown, and bring a sweet gift of honey straight from the comb. The day came to reveal his secret, so he went to dinner shaking in his bones. When the family heard the news, they were so happy that a party for the gnome was thrown. Now the gnome spends his days planting herbs, vegetables, and flowers for the family in his own garden dome. The end. About the author. Valerie's grandma, Elena Francis, grew up in Germany. She immigrated to the United States, where she created a beautiful garden outside her home that was full of gnome yard decorations. Hence this book. Gnomes Outside Homes. The very end. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description below, I've included links where you may find and purchase this book.